y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about my January Target box. You guys have been requested to kind of like talk about the products like later, like the next month. Did I like them? Did I not like them? Why didn't I like them? And I figured that would be a really good idea because, like I said before, I've definitely found some hidden gems in these Target boxes. So if you want to see my thoughts on last month's Target box, and just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so let's just start with the positives. Pretty much almost everything in last month's Target box I really enjoyed. I would have to say the one thing that I like, I would say I would definitely buy the actual full size of it, is this Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. So basically this is just a booster. Basically you put it on before you do your moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's gonna give you that extra bit of moisture in your skin. And honestly, I'll be 100% guys, like no lie, my skin hasn't been really that oily ever since I've added this to it. Sometimes by the end of the day, especially with my makeup, I'll have that sheen on top of my forehead and things kind of get weird sometimes. So this has definitely really been helping, and I think once I'm done with this, I'm definitely going to repurchase the actual full size of this. And then next up, I just have some body care items. This is the Dove body lotion. It's just a body lotion. I think it's definitely perfect for like that kind of like sensitive skin. It doesn't have like any fragrance in it. It's not sticky at all. It just soaks right into your skin. And then next I have is the Method Body Wash. This was really good. I really enjoyed it. I love the scent of it. At first, when I first smelled it, I didn't really care for it, but now that I actually wash my body with it, it smells really good. So these are definitely items that once I'm done with it, I'll definitely purchase a full size of it. And then also I have is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. Now this right here, I've used Cetaphil products before, and honestly, like I probably, once I'm done with this, I probably won't buy the full size of it. I'm not super committed to it. I do like it. I think I'll probably just keep it, and if I'm traveling, whatever. I know I like this product, and if I don't have like a travel size of something else, I know I can definitely trust on this. And then next up I have is the Cetaphil Skin Renewing Night Cream. Now I've been adding this to like my like nighttime routine, and it's just really nice. I think that if you're looking for a more affordable like nighttime cream, you'll definitely really like this. And like I said, these little samples are just perfect enough just for you to try the product, see if you like it or not. And especially if you have sensitive skin, you can definitely tell like right off the back if your skin is okay with it, you know what I mean? And then next up I have is the Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. Now we kind of talked about this, that I had this little scar going on my neck right here. So I've been using on that. It has definitely been helping. I can definitely see a difference, that it looks a little bit more faded and it doesn't look like so like it's there. I mean, it's still there, but it's definitely helping out a lot. I'll definitely keep using it on it, and then probably maybe in a future another Target box video I'll kind of like bring this back up and see if I really think it's your money or it's just a gimmick. And then last one of the things that worked out for me is this activated charcoal, basically toothpaste. Honestly, I really like this. I think it does give you a nice fresh clean mouth. Now do I think it's going to completely whiten your teeth? No, but I think that my teeth have definitely gotten just like a tad bit lighter. But I think that obviously if you want your teeth to be whitened, you're gonna have to go see a dentist. But I think that if you're trying to be a little frugal, definitely one of these would definitely help. But like I said, you're not going to see a tremendous difference with this product. Now these cotton rounds did go with this Micellar cleansing water. Now like I told you before, I'm not really into micellar waters anymore, and I didn't mind it, but I still felt that I still had to like keep using cotton rounds for it to completely all take my makeup off. So like I said, I will use the rest of it because I'm not going to just like not stop using it, but I will use the rest of it. But I probably won't be purchasing this in a bigger size. I have had this in a bigger size before, and I just honestly, it was just, I don't know, it's like I said, I feel like I was going through a lot of cotton rounds, a lot of just like paper materials, I guess. So like I said before, I've been really liking the Pond's makeup remover, and it's just been really working out for me. So let's talk about the products that I didn't care for or that just didn't work out for me. First thing I want to talk about is the Maybelline Master Price All Day Liquid Liner. Now this smells like gasoline, and it burned my eyes like if I had gasoline in my eyes. When I did my eyeliner, I almost felt like it was going into my eyeball. Like, it was a really weird feeling, and it was just like, I don't know how to explain it. It was just like burning my eyes, and I mean, it burned for like a good like 30 seconds, and it kind of went away. But I think that I'm probably not gonna use this anymore just because of that. Like, I don't need to like get some like weird like, I don't want to say like infection or like irritation on my eye or like anything like that. So definitely a no-go on this one. These two products are the La Roche, and honestly, like, I'm not too into like retinols yet. I did use this a few times, but you kind of have to, like with these type of products, you have to like continually use them. You can't just use it once and then expect like your skin to be like magical and like, you know, 20 times younger. So I don't know. I wasn't like too crazy about it. I will continue to use it and maybe my thoughts will change on it. And then another thing, like I said, from Roche is this Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Now, this is for normal to dry skin, and honestly, this literally did nothing for my skin. I think if you have very, very sensitive skin, then I think this will definitely work out for you. And if your skin isn't like my skin is a combination. Like right now it's like dry, but I still have a little bit of oil peeping through. It just felt like nothing was like, this was not even cleansing my skin. It literally like did nothing. I really felt like I was putting water on my face and it didn't even like suds up. Like there was like no bubbles coming up, or like, you know, when you put a cleanser on and it's just like, you can feel like it's like cleaning your skin. Like this literally felt like nothing. So I think this is a great product, like I said, for someone who just really their skin is pretty normal and they don't really need anything crazy for their cleanser. Definitely check this out. Like I said, it's definitely not for me. And then I forgot to mention this. Now this definitely worked out for me. It was not a fail, but this is the Love and Beauty Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Deodorant. And honestly, I would have to say, now it says 24-hour protection. Now listen, so I would work out in this and I really liked it. Now afterwards, like once I was like sitting around and I didn't take a shower, now that might just be because I need to take a shower, like rinse my body off, but I could kind of smell like stinkiness coming like from my armpits. So I think that if you're not working out at all, this definitely will keep you nice and like clean and like not smelly down there. But I think that if you are working out, you are gonna have to like obviously take a shower and reapply. But like I said, I think that if you're just a normal day-to-day person, you'll definitely like this. I liked it. I know there was a product that was similar to this and it was like a charcoal base and actually like gave me like irritation underneath my armpits. I was like peeling, like it's really weird. I had like weird reaction to it. So I was a little afraid to try out this one because it is like plant-based. It's just like, you know, cruelty-free and vegan and all of that. So I didn't know like what I was gonna do. Like the other one was kind of like similar to this, but the other one was charcoal. So I don't know if it was just because it had charcoal in it and it like gave me irritation down there. So I have no idea, but I really did enjoy this, and definitely once I'm done with this, I will definitely try out the other scents. But I know a couple people mentioned that they were thinking about eyeing this and buying it. I definitely recommend. Those are all the Target products from last month, and like I said, the Target box for this month has not launched yet. I don't even know if they're gonna put out a Target box this month. I have no idea. I did see a couple that were just like Lux boxes. They weren't really like the Target beauty box for the month, so I don't know if they're gonna come out next week, or like I have no idea if that's those boxes are meant to be like the Target beauty box. I don't know, but they are a little bit pricey and none of them really caught my attention to buy and kind of review and show you guys. So yeah, so I don't even know if there's gonna be a February beauty box, but if there is, you'll definitely see it on my channel this month. So that is gonna be it for this one, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.